If hens lay eggs on their own, then why do we need roosters? Check out this clip and let's find out together. First of all, a rooster guards against predators and sounds the alert if there is any perceived danger. You need a rooster if you want to naturally hatch baby chicks. A male chicken fertilizes the eggs, which allows them to develop into baby chicks. And maybe the most important reason of having a rooster is the fact that roosters help reduce discord amongst the hens and bring a calmer environment to the flock as a whole.